Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, hello and welcome to another episode of the Now You Know podcast. Today we'll talk about another slice of the marketing pepperoni pizza, a slice that is called public relations, or PR for short. We'll also dive into the dynamic realm of public relations and marketing, exploring the ways they collaborate and adapt in our ever-evolving digital landscape. And in the end, I will talk also about exciting possibilities that artificial intelligence brings to the future of PR. But before that, I want to make sure you are ready to dance. So, shall we dance?
A large fresh orange juice, please.
Yes, sir.
Looking for a friend? Maybe you can help me. I've got a problem. Why is a quarrel like a bargain?
Well. What master taught you to read?
The answer is it takes two to make it. Like beautiful music, like the dance. Shall we?
Your orange juice, sir. Batman special.
What's your name?
Molly.
You interest me, strangely. I accept your invitation.
You shake a pretty mean cake, Batman.
It's nothing. It's... It's...
Yes?
My drink. Doped.
So, the dance of PR and marketing builds a mutual relationship between these two areas. They often join forces to create a powerful narrative and shape public perception. So, like from product launch to brand building and crisis management, their collaboration is integral and holistic communication strategy. So they are, complement each other, basically. So if we see, for example, a product launch where marketing team focus on promotion campaigns, PR ensures positive media coverage and manage any potential glitch, So it's very well choreographed dance, and where each partner complements the other's moves, right? So that's why it's kind of a dance. But let's fast forward to the future and talk about artificial intelligence and how they are actually revolutionizing the way we approach PR and marketing. So basically, AI data analysis capability is way beyond a human data analysis capability. So it's a game changer. It can process massive amount of data, and again, much faster than a human can do it. And that's provide insights deeper into audience behavior, sentiment, and trends. And that makes PR professionals and marketeers much more informed. And when they are much more informed, their decision is much more on target. So it gives precision to their strategy. Another fascinating aspect about how AI is transforming communication is like chatbots, for example, to predict, from chatbots, they can, save you time, right, to answer emails and those communication with the press, for example, in the PR area, but also the predictive analytics this technology, AI technology, brings to the table, because again, enhance your strategy in a way that you are basically foreseeing potential crises, right? So you're foreseeing potential problems. So again, chatbots might handling routine inquiries, allowing PR teams to focus on something more strategically speaking, like a task, right? And predictive analytics can foresee potential crises, and again, enabling a proactive response before issues escalated, right? So it sounds good, right?
I got a bad feeling about this.
But well, you might ask, aren't we at risk of losing the human touch with the rise of AI on the PR department or in marketing in general? Well, not yet, because AI can assist in content creation, generating reports, press release, but you still need the human creativity input, right? So AI is basically streamlining the process, but the authenticity of marketing or PR message still relies on human touch for now. So AI is contributing to a more tailored communication strategy, but again, you still need a human to make it, the communication somehow attract to the audience, right? AI analyzing individual preference and behavior, that's the part that they do very well. And the PR and marketing efforts on that become even more personalized and meaningful, which makes the job easier to create communication strategies or marketing campaigns. And just like we talked about on the last episode of this podcast, we talk about advertisements. So this information can also help advertisement make it more target and connect to the audience. So in the end, just to wrap it up today's episode, it's clear that the marriage of PR and marketing, coupled with the transformative power of AI, is shaping the future of communication. There is no doubt here. The landscape is evolving, and the key is to embrace this change, finding the perfect balance between human creativity and technological innovation, just like everything in life. Balance is the way, right, to go. So, thank you for joining us today on the Now You Know podcast. Don't forget to spread the word around. Maybe you have a friend or two that might be interested on this kind of podcast about marketing. So don't keep the secret only for you. I mean, spread the word around. And
are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
So I hope it's entertainment podcast. So that being said, I will catch with you in the next episode, next Monday. So until then, stay curious and keep rocking.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.